So you're using Instagram for business, but are you using it right? In this video, I'm going to tell you about a few mistakes that you could be making that's costing you money. For more business and social media advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video every Monday. I'm Jamar Diggs, and I teach coaches, consultants, and professional service providers how to use social media to position themselves as the expert and attract their dream clients. If you're on Instagram and aren't getting the engagement or the inquiries that you want, you may be making a few of these mistakes. By the end of this video, I'm going to tell you the 6 things that I look at when helping a client with their Instagram marketing strategy. The first thing that I look at is if the bio area is unclear. One of the sections that we take for granted is the actual bio. It's not just a place where you can be fluffy and free. It's actually a place that is going to determine whether or not someone should follow you or not, and if they want to go the extra mile and click the link in your bio or work with you. So you want to make sure that that is giving people the what you do, the who you are, and what they should be doing next once they get to your page. The second mistake that I see all the time is you linking to just your website homepage in your bio. So I like to have 2 things. The first thing is maybe something like a link tree, so a specific page on your website or on a third-party app that links to various things, various call to action buttons that take people to specific places. Because one of the things that people get lost on home pages. So when you just link your website to your Instagram and it takes them to your homepage, no one really knows what to do. They're just there because you put it in your bio, so you're not going to get a lot of action that way. Instead, if you were to have something like a link in bio or like a page on your website that has all these buttons there that go to specific things that help you kind of get leads, then you're going to get more success that way. Another way that would help you is if the actual link is maybe a specific sales page or a training page, something that has a singular singular action that needs to be taken. Because again, one of the cons of taking them to your website is that your website, most websites are designed where there are multiple things that you could do upon that website. And if you're not kind of getting them to go to one place, you're going to lose them. The third thing that I look at is if your captions have call to actions. And so a call to action is, what are you doing? What do you want them to do next, right? So after they look at your picture, after they look at your caption, that pretty message that you put in there, what do you want them to do next? It should not just be, oh, that's cute, and they keep scrolling. You need to either have them build your community or build your wallet. And so this could look different ways. So a call to action can be double tap if you feel this way. Tag a friend that needed to hear this. Send me a DM with the word blank if you're interested in doing X, Y, and Z. Click the link in my bio for more information on X, Y, and Z, right? So all those statements that I made were call to actions. They prompted a reader to do something more, to go an extra mile, to do something that helps them either become more invested into your community or becoming more invested to be working with you. So before we move forward, I want to kind of check in with you and see if you can identify some of these mistakes that you have made. So given the first 3, look at your own Instagram and let me know in the comments below if you have made any of those mistakes. Moving on to the 4th thing that I look at is if you are creating expert content. Are you creating content that is serving your audience? Are you creating content that is being helpful, that is going to position you as the person, as the authority that I know you are? One of the things that I see that I don't want to see is just a lot of fun personal stuff, right? So it's great to have personal things, but it's important to also position yourself as the expert. So whatever field that you're in, we need to see that you are walking the walk and talking the talk. We need to see that you know what you're talking about. So teach us something, give us a quick win, show us something that is super easy for you, but will change my world by just watching a quick minute video from you. The 5th thing is I wanna see if you're mentioning your services, right? Are you mentioning your prices? Are you mentioning what you do? Like, why are you on Instagram for business? Do you have a business? Like, that is something that people want to know. Like, you're putting out all this content if you are, and you have like your link in the bio, but like when you make your post, are you talking about your services? Are you talking about what you do, how you make money? Because the truth of the matter is if you're not mentioning that you do things for money, no one's gonna know to give you money. And I'm just being real with you. And the sixth and final thing that I look at is if you have a way to build your email list. Now, if you are following me on Instagram, you know that whenever Instagram goes down, I am quick to post an IGTV or Instagram story pushing people to start their email list because social media does not belong to us. I love social media, but I understand that social media is just a way that I can make money, is a way that I can serve my clients, but I can also serve my audience through my email list as well. And I own my email list. So that's why it's that important, because Instagram, Twitter, YouTube could go down at any time, or you could be blocked out, or you could be in Facebook jail or whatever, and not have access to communicating to your followers, to your audience, which could cost you like a whole day's salary or whatever. It could cost you money, really. Okay, so what I want for you to do is start building that email list. So if you're not doing that already, make sure that you are building it right now so that you are not being caught making this mistake. If you want to start getting clients with your social media strategy, then I want you to take advantage of my free training called Posting for Profit. In this training, I'm going to show you how to save time, eliminate the burnout, and make more money with social media. You can get access to that training by clicking the link in the description down below. If you like this video, please let me know by subscribing to my channel, liking it below, and tagging me on Instagram with this screenshot. Don't forget to comment down below with the mistake that you're making the most, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Blah, 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 blah. Why is this so hard? Ready? That's just the truth, girl. That's just the tea.